Hey guys, this is Brent Kinney here, the owner of Dependable Pre-Owned Cars. I wanted to take a second, introduce myself and the team here, and let you know what we're about and how we acquire our cars. So here at Dependable Pre-Owned Cars, you got myself, Brent Kinney, you have Tim, and you have Tracy. There's only three of us. We're really wholesalers. We're not a dealer, so we don't have any dealer fees, hidden fees like a lot of these other dealers have. So we buy about 60 vehicles a month from big franchise store dealers. They're trade-ins. So we buy from a Chevrolet GMC dealer, we buy from a Toyota dealer, we buy from a Chrysler dealer, we also buy from a Subaru dealership. So anything that has about 80,000 miles or above, we have first right of refusal because we know the owners personally and they let us come in. It doesn't fit their criteria. The banks have a hard time financing those cars. So we offer those dependable, reliable vehicles to the public. Now, out of those 60, we probably only offer about 5 to 10 vehicles a month that we cherry pick, hand pick out of those that we know are dependable, reliable, and we can sell to the public without hurting our reputation. The other ones, we wholesale out to about 7 independent dealers that rely on us for inventory. So, that being said, we do not like going to auctions to buy vehicles. We will if it's a specific order for someone and that we can do our homework on, but when you're buying a vehicle in the 10,000, 15,000 and under range, from an auction, you're buying someone else's problem 90% of the time. That being said, I mean, let's face it, guys. Why is a dealership running it through the auction if they have a lot to sell it on? Because they can't sell it. Something's wrong with it. Think of how many people showed up to look at it and they can't sell it, so now they're running it through the auction. We stay away from those. We only buy good trade-ins from the dealership, and we only offer the cream of the crop to the public. All right, guys, thank you. Give us a shot. Click the link below and check out our inventory.